Time to get up. I go to the bathroom first. I wash my face. I wash my face. I always make my bed. I always make my bed. I always feed my dog. I always feed my dog. I make coffee every morning. I make coffee every morning. I pour coffee into my mug. I pour coffee into... I make breakfast. I open the fridge. I grab some eggs. I grab some eggs. I crack an egg open. I stir the eggs. I stir the eggs. I serve breakfast. I sit down at the table. I sit down at the table. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. After breakfast, I go for a walk with my dog. After breakfast, I go for a walk with my dog. Every morning matters. Every morning matters.
¿Quieres saber qué pasa después? Suscríbete y sigue aprendiendo presente simple desde cero. No te pierdas el próximo capítulo.